time, we'd like to welcome the dignitaries that will help present the awards.
I was losing half a second for the podium, so I told me, okay, take some risk and maybe you can do the podium. But Gush was second in front, so yeah, it was too far away. I thought. So, but yeah, I had to take some risk, and I think I was a little bit lucky on the bottom to ski so fast there.
Do you think that you made perfect races and you lost by a few hundredths of a second? Now you make big mistakes and you are still on the podium. It means you are stronger than last week?
Could be. But this guy is really strong. I mean, last year I skied the GS here. I didn't ski really 100%, and that was what I said to me before the first run. I have to push if I want to be on the podium or win the race. You cannot just ski 95% and hoping being first. That means if you do that, without doing the other one, and that's why I was pushing. Maybe pushing too much, just one gate pushing too much.